Hi, we are meet again. My name is Adaobi from Glory Queen of the Rosary Hospital. Today we're talking about Kigelia Africana on breast enlargement. As we all know, in the olden days, when you see a woman with enlarged breasts, you all know that maybe the woman is breastfeeding the baby. But as it is now, a lot of people attributed it to lifestyle, way of life. Some people see it when a woman is so busty and when the breast is so enlarged, they see it as so sexy, they see it as so a lifestyle in such a way that the beauty, the woman must have enhanced her beauty and the woman is so attractive. So, as we all know, in the olden days, such thing wasn't existing. It can only be seen when a woman is breastfeeding. But as it is now, most women go extra mile to enhance their beauty, even enhancing their breasts, in order to look so attractive. So today, Dr. Ifeyinwa will tell us much about Kigelia Africana as it contributes to breast enlargement. Dr. Ifeyinwa.
Kigelia africana, also known as sausage tree, is a quintessential African herbal medicinal plant with a pan-African distribution and immense indigenous medicinal and non-medicinal applications. The plant is used traditionally as a remedy for numerous diseases such as wounds healing, rheumatism, psoriasis, diarrhea and stomach ailments. It is also used as an aphrodisiac and for skincare. There are numerous ways Kigelia africana is used in Africa. When using the fresh Kigelia africana fruit, anecdotal evidence indicates that the fresh Kigelia fruit is pounded with a mortar then mixed with a fermenting or alcoholic agent, usually schnapps. The mixture is then poured into a bottle and covered with a lid for at least 3 days, after which users start drinking the fermented mixture early in the morning to naturally boost the size of the male penis or woman's breast. Those using the dry Kigelia fruit, simply burn the fruit into ashes to obtain Kigelia africana powder and then use it to drink pap or other beverage in the morning to obtain the same result.
We are talking about Kigelia africana in respect of breast enlargement. Yes, it's true. Even me, that is a grandmother, that is the producer, I have also used it on myself, and it's very effective. And it's not just that you use it to firm up your breast. You also use it to make yourself happy and you smile all the time because you feel you are just on top of womanhood. You're just complete woman, not minding your age. And if not, because it's not good to come up the media with breasts, I could have said, let me show you. But then, this Kigelia africana is very good for breast enlargement. One, it gives you firm breast, it prevents the body from having breast cancer, or if you have trace of breast lump while you're using Kigelia in a different form, it will shrink or dry the breast lump, and then firms up the breast very, very well, and then it works very wonders for women who want to enlarge their breast before having children or after you have finished having children, or when you just want to make yourself happy and feel the way you want. It corrects a lot of hormones in the female system, hormones like prolactin, progesterone, follicle stimulating hormones, the luteinizing hormone, and then the estradiol. Most female hormones are being balanced while you are using this Kigelia africana as a woman. Then it replicates the cells because it has a lot of mineral salts that are good for fertility. It has the highest concentration of zinc in plant kingdom, and also it has phytoestrogen, and then it has potassium phosphate. All are very good for female reproductive organ. And so when you are using it direct from nature, extracts of Kigelia africana like this is very good, is worth it. I've used it on myself. I enjoy the way it works with the human body, and I'm presenting it to you because I have come across a lot of people in Africa and diaspora that really need to firm up their breasts, make their skin to be glittering, because they are using Kigelia Africana. Some put it in their creams for cosmetics, some use it in creams for breast rubbing, but those ones are just a waste of time and energy. If you want direct action on your breast, your female, your womanhood, with the use of Kigelia Africana, you use them fresh like this. These are the end products of Kigelia Africana. You use it like this with cereal blended. You use it like this with gin. If you are the one that takes gin, you use it like this with honey and milk, and then hot pap, hot cereal with honey and milk, and then you use it in different forms. For cases of alimentary cancer, cancer of the intestine, you use bitter tasting stone and use it in a different form. It's a big word for women. In fact, this section of the production is focused on women. It's very good in giving women sex drive. Your body will begin to make you happy. You will be having sweet body. They will say, hey, how far this old woman is on. She's very happy, smiling. Well, you get it from this because the Kigelia Africana works as a transmitter in the brain that controls all organs of the body, especially the female organs, the breast, the pituitary gland, the reproductive organ, the sense of feelings, sense of relaxation, sense of it controls different organs that are good for fertility. That's why we recommend the Kigelia Africana. It's either Kigelia supplement or Kigelia in crude form that works very well for every woman because it's very good. Thank you for being part of this program. Have a nice day.